Hey, B, it's Jamie, that's me here. Welcome back to my channel, honey, and welcome back to yet another quick chat. Okay, today on the quick chat, we're going to be talking about Cardi B as well as Miss Tasha K. All right, now for those of you guys that do not know, Miss Cardi B sued Tasha K and she ended up winning a defamation lawsuit where Tasha K now owes Cardi B $4 million. Just a few weeks ago, we saw where Tasha K was on an interview saying that, girl, I ain't got it. I ain't got no 4 million. Okay, but also saying that she has things in place to actually take care of the 4 million. So that was a bit confusing. Okay, we do understand and we do know that Tasha K is planning to file an appeal at some point. But in the meantime, I want to get to this article by Billboard where they're saying that Cardi B demands an injunction to end Tasha K's disgusting lies. All right. The article reads that a month after winning the $4 million defamation verdict against defamer Tasha K, Cardi B is now asking a federal judge to permanently ban her from posting harmful and disgusting lies to the internet. Now, I did hear that Tasha K removed the image, the video from her YouTube page, but I'm also hearing that she took that same video and put it over onto her website. Now, I'm not a subscriber of either to really know whether or not the content is up there or it's not up there. Okay, but that's something that's been out there. So I'm wondering if Cardi B may have heard that. So now she's like, listen, girl, I need everything to end. Okay, I need it all to come to a halt. All right, and I need you to remove it. But let's keep going because they're saying that the rapper sued Tasha K in 2019, for those of you guys that do not know, for posting dozens of videos containing shocking claims about Cardi B, including her having an STD, her being a streetwalker, amongst other things, and other allegations as her child is also pertained. Okay, so there were a lot of things that were going on. And in that trial in January, that's when it was ruled that Miss Tasha K did indeed defame Cardi B. So not only is Tasha K held liable, so is her company, Kibi Studios, as well. Now, in a new filing on Thursday evening, Cardi asked the judge to impose a so-called permanent injunction, a court ruling that will force Tasha to pull the defamatory claims from the internet and ban her from reposting them. So that goes in alignment with if she is removing the video from her page and putting them over onto her website, that is like reposting, or putting it over onto Patreon or whatever. So that is like reposting. And Tasha, from my understanding, did say in the courtroom that she ain't taking nothing down until the courts order her to do so. So now this is what it looks like Cardi and her team are now doing, okay? Trying to get her or get the courts to make the decision to have Miss Girl pull them down, be court ordered. And I think they're also doing that. You attorneys, go ahead and enlighten me. But I want to think that they're also doing that because if she does violate that court order that is put in place for her to remove it, then that may be a whole nother situation, right? So they would like to go about things, it seems, of course, the legal way. But let's keep going, okay? Because Cardi's attorneys wrote that plaintiff filed this action because defendants refused to stop targeting her with the harmful and the disgusting lies. Now, damages alone are inadequate to address the constant ongoing threats of the defendants repeating the defamatory statements, okay? And saying that defendants have explicitly said that they will continue publishing the defamatory statements unless an injunction is issued, which is what they are trying to get. They said filing cited statements from Tasha made both in videos and on the witness stand in which she said she would not permanently remove it. And I read in another article where it seems like they also don't want her to just remove the videos, but anything that she has said on social media about Cardi in a negative light, as far as the lies and all this other defamatory things, they want all of that gone as well, from what I read in a different article. Now, they're anticipating that Tasha's attorney will argue that such an injunction violates her First Amendment rights. But the attorneys are coming back and saying, girl, no, ma'am, that's not the case, because that particular constitutional right does not cover you when you are giving out false and defamatory speech. So yeah, no, ma'am. So they've already put that in the statement in case she tries to come back with that. They like, no, because at the end of the day, we're speaking on the false and defamatory things. Now, moving forward, Miss Tasha can say what she needs or wants to say. She could continue to speak on, I ain't gonna say what she wants to say, but she could continue to speak on Cardi, but she cannot do it if it's going to be yet again false and defamatory, or that's probably going to be a whole nother lawsuit on top of what they already gave her. You see what I'm saying? So then Cardi, let's see what else we have about Cardi. No, I pretty much mentioned that. Y'all know that Cardi sued Tasha K over the malicious things that was happening over there on those videos. It was countless of videos back to back to back to back. Okay. Now, as I understood it, that Tasha took down some of the videos, but I read also in an article that she did not take down all of them. And that's what the attorneys are requesting, for every single one of those videos to be completely removed and to be never reposted ever again. Okay. Now, they said that one of the videos cited in the lawsuit includes a statement that Cardi had done a few sex, okay, a few sexual acts, okay, with other guys, and she's done things on stage and stuff. So it was just like, it was really bad. It was really, really bad. Everybody knows that Miss Tasha K has sat up here and she done lost this lawsuit. She owed Miss Girl $4 million. She said she ain't got it. Cardi B went on social media shortly after she heard that, and she said, girl, if you think I'm not coming for everything, I'm old. Trust and believe that I am. B better have my money. That's what Cardi B said, well, just like 2 weeks ago. And then shortly, here we are on just yesterday, Miss Cardi B decided to say, hey, girl, yeah, we're going to need y'all to go and put that injunction in place. All right. Now, eventually, jurors held Kibi legally liable on 3 separate claims from Cardi. So it was the defamation, it was the invasion of privacy through portrayal in a false light. Okay, so there's that. And then the intentional infliction of emotional distress. Okay, and where they get the intentional infliction is because Miss Tasha did sit on the stand and say that she knew they were lies. She continued to spew it out because she felt as though Miss Cardi B would be able to get the therapy that she needed, right? Girl, that should not be enough. But okay then, honey, girl, like that don't even, it's not even clicking. Like, I'm just gonna continue to spread lies on you because I think you got the money and you will be able to go out here and get the therapy that you need. So Cardi said, okay, well, I'm gonna continue to let you sit up here and tell lies on me, and then I'm gonna take you to court because I believe that you're gonna have the coins that I'm gonna need you to pay and run it back for defaming me and the other things that you've done on the internet. But yeah, here we are, and you're saying that you don't have it. Girl, let's move on. Okay, now they awarded, for those of you guys that do not recall, 1.25 million in general damages, 1.5 million in punitive damages, and 1.3 million in legal fees. Okay, but again, Miss Tasha is expected to file an appeal. Now, how that's going to work, what she's going to be able to use to try and file this appeal, I don't know if she's going to try to appeal the 4 million. I mean, that's a judgment. So I don't think you'll be able to like appeal that. But then, I mean, maybe if she found something that went wrong within the courts, to be able to appeal it. But they said that the judge was very careful with how he handled things, so that the case or the court order or whatever things that was put in place would not be overturned, right? So I'm not sure. This is going to be interesting. I feel like the appeal is really just a delay, so she don't have to pay this money, honey. Okay, let me just delay while I figure out some things, because I have things in place. We have things in place to take care of stuff like this. And it seems like the thing that's in place is the appeal. So we'll just have to wait and see how that is going to play out. Okay, so I just wanted to come to you guys really quickly regarding what is happening with Cardi B and Tasha K. And I feel like, yet again, this will not be the last that we've heard of it. It's been going on since about 2018, 2019. We finally gotten a trial where Cardi B has won that trial. And now we got to see what's going to happen with the aftermath. Okay, people are still calling for Tasha's channel to be taken down. I don't know if Miss Cardi B and the team are going to go that far. It just depends. I don't know. They may try, depending on all of the things that she does, right? Because she is now taking down the photos, or at least they're now asking her to take down the videos, right? But it was interesting that they did not ask that immediately. So I don't understand the process as to why they didn't ask for that immediately after the trial. But what I will say is, after Tasha did this interview saying that, oh, I ain't got it, then now here we are, we see where there was some paperwork put into place where they're like, hey, listen, we would like for her to take everything down, and she's only going to do it if you guys say so. So I don't know if she does something else that may trigger them enough. They may turn around and say, actually, Your Honor, we actually want you to go ahead and just remove the whole channel. I'm not necessarily sure, but every time we get a little nugget regarding the show, I'll be sure to come on back and let you guys know what's going on with this case. Okay, that's all that I got, honey. I'm Jamie. That's me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Okay, share my videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Jamie. That's me. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.